Hi everyone, in this Clickfunnels 2.0 tutorial you will learn how to create a survey with scoring so that you can better segment your leads based on their responses and tailor your offers or follow-up sequences accordingly. If you haven't worked with surveys in Clickfunnels 2.0 yet, I recommend you to watch the detailed tutorial by clicking on the card up here. It will walk you through all the basics for creating surveys in Clickfunnels 2.0. And in this video, we will focus on the scoring system in the survey. Two things before we continue. First, if you don't have your Clickfunnels 2.0 account yet, in the description of this video, you will find the link to an extended 30-day trial of Clickfunnels 2.0 instead of the regular 14-day trial. And if you use our link to create your Clickfunnels 2.0 account, you will also receive our Clickfunnels 2.0 course as a bonus. And if you're already using Clickfunnels, in the description you will find links to package deals that will help you save up to 44% on your Clickfunnels subscription. And second, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on the future videos. Now let's get to it. We will start by creating a survey with a few questions and enable scoring for them. If you don't see surveys in the apps here, click the plus icon, then search for survey workflows, click on the card and click Add App. Enter the name of the survey and click Create Survey Workflow. To create the first question, click on the plus icon. Then you can select the question type. Let's start by asking for the name and the email address from people who completed the survey, or you can use the contact information question type if you want to ask for the name, email address and the phone number. I will select the input type for the name. In the headline, I enter your first name. You can of course enter the text that you like, and in the contact attribute, we need to select first name. Save changes. Next, we want to ask for the email address. Again, we click the plus icon, select Add Question, and select Email. Adjust the headline and the description if needed, and click Save Changes. Next, we can add a few questions as an example and assign scoring to the answers. Again, we click the plus icon and select Add Question. In the question type, I will select Choice. In the headline field, you should enter your question, and if needed, you can also add some description. And then we go to the configuration and toggle this on to enable scoring. If you want, you can also allow multiple answers for your question by toggling this setting on, and after that you can add the answers. Click Add Answer. Enter the actual text of your answer. I'm just using placeholders, and in the score field, assign the score for this specific answer. After that, click Add Answer and enter the second answer to the question. And again, assign the score by using the score field. You can add as many answers as you need, assign scores to them, and then save changes. So right now in our survey, we are asking for the first name, email address, and then we have the first question. Let's add a few more questions, so when we test the survey, we have a better understanding of scoring. Click plus, click Add Question, enter your question and the description of the question if needed. Again, don't forget to enable scoring. And in this question, I will allow multiple answers. Again, we need to add answers and also assign scores to every answer. I will quickly do it and then we will proceed. Let's add the last question. Click the plus icon. You may also notice that besides questions, you can add split to the survey flow and add different actions, like sending messages, emails, or performing some internal actions, like for example, adding or removing text from the contacts, which makes your survey even more powerful because you can customize your leads and contacts and make the follow-up process even more personalized. Okay, we add another question. Let's also add some description for a change. We enable the scoring and add answers and scores. With that, we added questions to our survey and assigned scores to every answer of every question. Once you create a survey, you can add it to a specific funnel where you need it. To do that, open the funnel page in the page editor, add a new element, search for survey. Don't worry, it's only an example of how survey questions look like. It's not your survey. To connect your survey to this element, go to the settings of the survey element by clicking on the gear icon. In the Select Survey field, select your survey. And this way we connected the survey element on this page to the survey that we have just created. There is one more thing that you need to do, is to select what should happen when a contact finishes the survey. You can do it in the Survey Action section. Open this drop-down and select the action that you need. Most likely you will use actions like redirect to next step, so your next funnel step, or go to, if you want to redirect people to a specific page or to a different website. I select go to, and after that I just need to add the link to the page where I want them to go. And as mentioned before, if you want to change the look of your survey element, you can do it in the settings here by adjusting all those settings and adjusting the look of questions, progress bar, buttons, input fields, margins, and so on. Don't forget to save the changes that you made on the page. And let's now test the survey and see how it looks for a lead or a customer. After that, I will show you where you can see the scores for each survey submission. You can preview your funnel page by clicking on the icon here. Now I will go through this short survey to make sure that everything is working properly, and after that we will see the results. So I enter the first name, email address. I will select random answers. That's the question where we can select multiple answers. And that's the question with the description. After that, I should be redirected to the Sea of Power Scripts page, which actually happened, so everything works as expected. To see different submissions from your survey, you should go to the Service page. Just a quick note, this feature is still in the development and this page may change in the future. There may be more settings here. After that, you click this icon, Submissions, and we will see my test submission with the score and also the answers that I provided to every question. You can also click on the name of the contact to see detailed information. And if you later want to revisit the results of the survey for this specific contact, you don't have to look through all the submissions. You can go to the specific contact, then go to the Marketing tab. And in the survey, you will be able to see the answers to the survey. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to create a survey with scoring in Clickfunnels 2.0, so you can effectively segment your leads and tailor your follow-up sequences based on their responses. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to not miss out on the future content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next videos.